Electric vehicles are the future. Clean, smart, and loaded with the latest technology. But buying one outright can still be heavy on the pocket. That's where leasing makes perfect sense. You get to drive the newest EVs with lower monthly payments, fewer maintenance worries, and the flexibility to upgrade as better models arrive. This November, automakers are offering some amazing EV lease deals across compact cars and electric SUVs. It's the perfect time to switch to electric and enjoy modern features, great value, and a smarter way to drive. Number 1. 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E redefines the pony car for the electric era, combining thrilling performance with practicality and family-friendly versatility. This compact SUV features hands-free highway driving, a 15.5-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and an EPA-estimated 312-mile electric range. Mustang Mach-E leases start at $330 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing, based on an annual mileage limit of 12,000 miles. A 2-year lease costs around $386 per month, while a 4-year lease runs about $339 per month. Number 2. 2025 Honda Prologue. The all-electric 2025 Honda Prologue brings Honda's trusted reputation into the EV space, offering a roomy interior, smooth ride, and modern tech in a mid-size SUV package. This Prologue SUV comes equipped with handy features like an 11.3-inch touchscreen, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, 19-inch alloy wheels, a 220-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 308-mile electric range. The Prologue lease starts at $581 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $775 monthly, while 48-month leases come to around $675 per month. Number 3. 2026 Kia EV9. The EV9 is a spacious 3-row electric SUV with strong performance, a solid range, and competitive pricing in a luxury-dominated segment. This full-size SUV features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, remote smart parking assist 2, tri-zone automatic climate control, automatic emergency braking, 21-inch alloy wheels, a 379-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 304-mile electric range. Leasing the EV9 is an affordable option through Kia's flexible lease deals. On a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $531 per month, with $2,000 due at signing based on 12,000 annual miles. For a 2-year term, it averages $550 monthly, while a 4-year EV9 lease runs about $557 per month. Number 4. 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. The F-150 Lightning is the best all-electric full-size pickup truck in the US, offering impressive performance, advanced tech, and zero emissions. Key features include a 15-inch touchscreen, 360-degree cameras, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a 462-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 240-mile electric range. A typical 3-year lease averages $453 per month, with $2,000 down, based on 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year term, it costs $488 per month on average, while a 4-year Lightning lease runs about $422 per month. Number 5. 2025 Kia EV6. The EV6 is one of the best all-electric vehicles available, offering trim levels to suit almost any buyer. However, it is slightly held back by a higher starting price and limited cargo space. With amenities such as remote smart parking assist, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, automatic emergency braking, a 320-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 319-mile electric range, the EV6 delivers both performance and safety. Leasing the EV6 is very affordable thanks to Kia's flexible options. A typical 3-year lease averages $421 per month, with $2,000 down for 12,000 miles annually. A 2-year lease costs around $440 per month, while a 4-year lease runs about $423 per month. Number 6. 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6. The all-new 5-seat Ioniq 6 electric sedan turns heads with its striking design and offers solid power and an impressive driving range. Notable features include a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, a hands-free smart liftgate, a 225-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 342-mile electric range. Leasing the Ioniq 6 is very affordable thanks to Hyundai's flexible options. A typical 3-year lease averages $304 per month, with $2,000 down for 12,000 miles annually. A 2-year lease costs $344 per month on average, while a 4-year lease runs $431 per month. Number 7. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV. The 2025 Blazer EV is a mid-size electric SUV with a spacious interior and a solid list of features. While it faces tough competition, it's a strong contender in the EV market. The Blazer EV features a spacious 17.7-inch touchscreen, advanced Chevy Safety Assist technology, optional all-wheel drive for enhanced traction, a powerful 220-horsepower electric motor, and an impressive EPA-estimated range of up to 312 miles on a full charge. Leasing the Blazer EV is a practical choice, with an average payment of $738 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $796 monthly or $761 monthly for a 4-year lease. Number 8. 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9. The all-new 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9 combines 3-row seating with SUV practicality in a stylish and efficient all-electric package, making it a strong choice for families ready to go electric. The Ioniq 9 comes with a 12-inch curved touchscreen and instrument panel, NACS charging with 350 kilowatt fast charge capability, AI terrain mode, a 110 kilowatt-hour battery with up to 335 miles of range, and bold, futuristic styling with a spacious 3-row cabin. The Ioniq 9 lease starts at $564 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $650 monthly, while 48-month leases come to about $707 per month. Number 9. 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 5. 3 years in, the Ioniq 5 remains a top choice as Hyundai's first dedicated EV, offering style, great performance, and versatile options. The 2024 Ioniq 5 comes equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, a hands-free smart liftgate, a 320-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 303-mile electric range. Leasing the Ioniq 5 is an affordable option with Hyundai's flexible deals. For a typical 3-year lease, you'd pay around $400 per month, with $2,000 down, based on an annual mileage limit of 12,000 miles. A 2-year lease averages $438 per month, while a 4-year lease costs about $429 per month. Number 10. 2026 Chevrolet Equinox EV. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV is a game-changer, offering sleek design, a spacious interior, and advanced technology, perfect for eco-conscious drivers. Key features include a 17.7-inch touchscreen, reverse automatic braking, a 220-horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 319-mile electric range. Leasing the Equinox EV starts at just $639 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile yearly limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $675 per month, while 48-month leases are around $623 per month. Number 11. 2026 Hyundai Kona Electric. The 2025 Kona Electric is one of the most affordable EVs on the market, offering a practical blend of utility, performance, and features. The Kona Electric comes equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Hyundai SmartSense safety technology, 17-inch alloy wheels, a 201-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 261-mile electric range. Leasing the Kona Electric is a budget-friendly option, with an average payment of $322 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $317 per month, while a 4-year lease costs $361 per month. Number 12. 2025 Subaru Solterra. Looking for an eco-friendly SUV that can handle light off-road adventures? The 2024 Subaru Solterra might be your answer. This compact electric SUV is quiet and capable, making it perfect for nature lovers. It comes with standout features like a 12.3-inch touchscreen, panoramic fixed glass roof, automatic self-parking system, a 215 horsepower motor, and an EPA-estimated 227-mile electric range. Subaru Solterra leases start at about $412 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing based on 12,000 annual miles. The monthly cost rises to $612 for a 24-month lease, or drops to $519 for a 48-month lease. Number 13. 2025 Toyota BZ4X. Toyota's compact EV offers strong features and an impressive all-wheel drive system, making it a solid choice for extra traction and capability. The BZ4X offers a spacious interior and comes well-equipped with features like a 12.3-inch touchscreen, Toyota Safety Sense 3, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 248 horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 252-mile electric range. Leasing one could be a good option through Toyota's various EV lease deals and offers. A typical 3-year BZ4X lease costs around $410 per month on average, $2,000 due at signing for 12,000 miles annually. For a 24-month lease, it's $518 per month, while a 48-month term runs $508 per month on average. Number 14. 2025 Nissan Ariya. Blending sleek design with electric efficiency, the 2025 Nissan Ariya is a stylish, compact SUV that brings next-gen tech and comfort to the EV space. It comes equipped with high-end features like a heads-up display, heated front seats, 19-inch alloy wheels, a 214 horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 289-mile electric range. The lease starts at $333 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $513 monthly, while 48-month leases are about $501 per month. Number 15. 2025 Cadillac Lyriq. The 2025 Lyriq continues to be one of the best-selling EVs thanks to its luxurious interior, advanced technology, and extensive standard features. The Lyriq comes equipped with a 33-inch LED display, Super Cruise hands-free driving, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 365 horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated 326-mile electric range. Leasing the Lyriq is a premium choice, with an average payment of $744 per month for a 3-year lease with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $781 per month, while a 4-year lease costs $806 per month. Number 16. 2025 Cadillac Optiq. With bold styling and upscale features, the 2025 Cadillac Optiq brings a fresh, sporty edge to the entry-level luxury EV market. Perfect for drivers who want premium without going overboard. This compact luxury SUV includes standout features like an around-view camera, panoramic moonroof, a 300-horsepower dual-motor electric powertrain, and an EPA-estimated 302-mile range. The Optiq lease starts at $664 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $729 monthly, while 48-month leases are about $749 per month. Number 17. 2025 Kia Niro EV. The Kia Niro EV is a compact SUV that offers surprising space, solid range, and a well-equipped interior. The 2025 Niro EV boasts a 10.3-inch touchscreen display, cutting-edge driver assistance features, efficient front-wheel drive, a robust 204-horsepower electric motor, and an EPA-estimated range of up to 253 miles on a single charge. Leasing the Niro EV is an affordable choice, with an average payment of $362 per month for a 3-year lease, with $2,000 down and 12,000 miles annually. For a 2-year lease, the payment is $362 monthly, or $365 monthly for a 4-year lease.